up, my kings and queens? It is your girl Ashley Nicole here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. So today, you guys, I am going to give you a quick update on my Invisalign journey. I cannot believe that I'm on tray 11, y'all. That is crazy. Like, I swear it was just like a week ago I was putting these trays in for the first time, trying to get used to them. Now your girl's a pro. We be popping them in and out with a quickness. I still have my handy dandy case, so we have not lost her yet, thank goodness. So today, you guys, I am going to show you how I go from tray 10 to tray 11. Yes, we are getting there. I'm also going to show you guys how I do the whitening treatment that came along with my trays. My dentist, I don't think all Invisalign like processes go through this, because when I got a price quote from the last people, this was not included. So I think it depends on which dentist or orthodontist you go to. But with my dentist, y'all, I get the whitening treatment included in the price. So all it is you do this for a week. So today is Thursday. I am going to show you guys a couple of clips throughout the last couple of weeks about my Invisalign journey. I feel like this is a little bit better instead of boring you guys like every single week with a video. Just give you like the important updates, things like that, keep y'all relevant, like, you know, just keep it going along. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this started. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the family. Let's get to the video, you guys. So you guys, please excuse how your girl looks right now. I'm in the middle of getting my hair done, but I just wanted to fill you guys in on my Invisalign journey. So today is August 6th, 2020, and it has officially been 6 weeks since I've had my Invisaligns, you guys. Like, it is so crazy to me that I have literally had these things in for 6 weeks. Like, it honestly does not even feel like it. So I am so excited. So we are on our way to the dentist to get, I guess, an update. I believe they're going to give me my whitening trays today, as well as get my next 6 weeks worth of trays. So that is exciting to get my next.
Is on the beat.
Alright, my kings and queens, so today we are going from tray number 10 to tray number 11. I'm also going to be starting my whitening process. It only takes a week to do this, but I decided to start this week because I'm about to go back and get my other set of 6 trays in like 2 weeks, so I had to get this started. So all we're gonna do, it's really nice. It came with everything you need, the little paste and the instructions, and they also come in Spanish, so they got y'all. So you know the drill, you guys. So basically all this process is we take them out, we put them into bag number 10, and then we put in bag number 11. Now, they say you could throw these away. I want to keep them for whatever reason. So I have my 1 through 12 all here. I just hold on to them. You don't have to, but that's just my process. So I like to keep the bags just in case. They do say to keep at least the last one that you've been in and the one you're about to go into, just in case you lose or break one, but always are prepared. So let's get these taken out. This is not the pretty part. Ooh. That never gets pretty, by the way. That's always ugly when you do that, so. Now, I have already brushed and flossed my teeth, but definitely make sure when you are changing trays to brush and floss your teeth before you put the new ones in. So let's get number 11 out. All right. And I'm honestly starting to notice a difference in my teeth, you guys. Like, I'm really starting to kind of tell the difference like a little bit, you know, just a tad, still got a ways to go. But we are going to go ahead and get started with our whitening gel. So it comes with the tube, and I believe this is good for like 3 to 5 times. And then it comes with this little thing. I have yet to figure out what this does, but we gonna work on it together, so it's okay. So I'm pretty sure, yes, so this just screws onto here. Bow, 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 just like that. Okay, we're gonna pop this off. I think, yep, boom, you just twist it, comes off the end piece. So, we just gonna go ahead and read our instructions, make sure we do this correctly. You guys, so we are on number 1. So basically all that's saying is to put the gel that you get and put little, not too much, but little bitty drops. Now a tip that my dentist did give me, now that I'm thinking about it, she did say it's kind of pointless to do the back teeth just because those aren't like the main ones that need the whitening. So I would recommend skipping these back teeth a little bit when you do this. Let me scoot up for you guys. I do recommend skipping the back teeth, but I definitely would do the front teeth on both the top and the bottom trays. So all we do is get it going. Ooh, okay. All right, so let's do our top tray. Oh, kind of messy. I don't want to put too much because this is supposed to last me a week, and I kind of don't see how this will last me a week. Y'all, this hard to place this. Okay, all right, you kind of sticky. Okay. Oh my god, y'all, this is so hard. Okay, all right, okay. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but they're in there. I just put them on these teeth because these are just the main teeth in the front. The back ones do not have anything in them. And then all you do is you put your trays in just like normal. You sleep with them overnight, and in the morning you wash this out. And then right before you go to bed for the next 7 days, you repeat this process, or I assume until the gel runs out. So spare your gel, y'all, because it's supposed to last 7 days. So let's get the top in. I never like Thursdays. It really don't taste like nothing. I lied. It kind of tastes like toothpaste, just a little bit. All right, you guys, so now that we got the top trays in, let's go ahead and do these bottoms. So same thing, just do the front part. Oh, these corners kind of hard. Okay. And try to even it out, y'all. Make sure you don't put too much in one tray because it's just gonna come up in your lip, and that's just a waste. All right, that's as good as that's going to get. But I tried to get them in the front of it, but I think the same thing's gonna happen regardless. All right, Kayla, let's put the bottoms in. All right, we did it. So, pretty sure that this little thing that we popped off on top has a purpose. So I'm going to just go ahead and assume, yep. So the thing that you popped off, you can literally just put that back on the top and it snaps on. So that's a little cap, so do not lose that because I definitely almost threw that away. And I just keep everything in the same little bag and container that it came in. That way we can stay organized and we don't lose nothing. And just like that, you guys, we have moved on to tray number 11 and started our whitening. We're going to do this for 7 days. So hopefully when I come back to you guys for the next video, my teeth will be 10 times whiter than they already are now, which is pretty cool that it comes along with the whole payment and everything like that, because normally you have to pay separate to whiten your teeth, but it's really nice that I can just do this at the same time, knock them both out. All right, my kings and queens, so that is it for today's video. I am so excited to be sharing this journey with you guys. I hope you are liking this series. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget, if you have any questions or concerns, if you're starting an Invisalign journey, or if you have any tips, help share the love, please do not forget to put them down in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Until next time, you guys.